looking truck.
Yeah,
What's going on, Brett?
Hey man, what's happening? I got a hot little 350. I got 700 R4 overdrive. I've got ice cold factory AC. Stout little motor. It's got to be every bit of 400 horse.
Responsive little small block.
All the stock controls. Long cold. So this was always an AC truck. It's a short box. It's power steering. Of course, front disc brakes. It's a 12-volt rear differential. I'm going to say it's 373 gears, 700 R4. I mean, I don't have
Perfect combination.
Yeah, I don't have exact history on everything, but that's what it feels like to me. It's got a tachometer, but it's stuck.
Yeah.
I don't know what's up with that. Maybe there's MSD ignition. I've only had the car or the truck a short period of time. Pass inspection, turn signals, brake lights, emergency brake works.
Yeah, let's hear that motor. I say that it's a 72.
It is a 72. How can you miss it? What year is it? I bet he got tired of hearing that, so he just put it on the door.